Oh, it's so satisfying to have a toolbox. I can just lock and unlock. Playing no games this time. So I can't find my extra cutting blades, so I guess I'm gonna have to try to do it with just one blade and hope I don't die. And hope it doesn't explode or anything. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh, big guns. So I'm at Damon's house and I just realized I left my house without my wallet, and that's how far I've been driving since the light came on. So hopefully I can get home, but I probably won't. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but oh well, I'm here now. I was way too far already to turn around to go get my wallet, so hopefully Devon can help me out or something. I don't know. We'll see. There he is, right there. We're probably gonna get the police called on us because I brought power tools and they make a lot of noise for what we need to do. So let me see how this is gonna go. The goal is to not take any L's tonight.
Why did you say that?
I didn't say nothing. I just said let's just try not to take any L's.
You know what's gonna happen?
I didn't say it was gonna go quick. I didn't say nothing. None of that. Man, it's dark back here.
Yeah, I got light.
Okay, let's see.
One bolt.
I actually brought sockets this time.
Oh, socks.
Sockets.
Oh, say, it ain't cold, dude.
Okay, hopefully this one blade. Oh shoot!
No battery.
No, the blade's broken. As soon as I said that, I pulled the thing out and the blade was broken.
Well, I guess that's a good thing because had we tried to use it, probably.
Yeah, that would have been in my eye. Dang nabbit.
Huh. Oh yeah, that's done for.
That's toast.
Dang.
I guess I can just, I don't know. I don't know if I can drill it out.
Let's try and dribble it out.
Man, it's always something. Literally, soon. I'm about to start putting fat L's on these videos again.
We can always edit it out and like not take L's. They wouldn't know.
Yeah, that's true. Fingers crossed.
Oh, that probably looking straight at the tailpipe.
Moving.
2 hours later.
You know what the problem is?
What?
This thing's been turning the wrong way. I've been turning it that way instead of the right. I've been turning it left. That's why it hasn't been cutting.
So it's been trying to drill out instead of in.
Yeah. Another L. I'm so retarded. I didn't even pay no attention.
About like how you did when you was trying to take off my oil cap last time. You was spinning to the left.
No, that was you.
No, bro.
I wish it was inside of it. So I bought the 29 pack.
Jesus Christ.
I just kind of saw that coming, but oh well. I don't know where that is.
Then I like hit a bump.
Okay, so I tried it with the impact, and I brought actual impact sockets this time, and it came off in like 2 seconds, just that easy. So yeah, now we can take this thing off.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Oh, buddy, you was gonna be drilling forever.
Yeah, I see that. I knew that wasn't gonna work like that easily.
Nah, he's about to be drilling for like a month.
Good old power tools. I'm so glad I remembered to bring those sockets this time. Because that socket fits all the way over the bolt.
Yeah.
One we had, it's like it wouldn't stay all the way on it.
Where's the I'm on it.
No. I think I'm on it now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we good. Hey.
Where'd it go?
No!
I forgot the step stool.
What was it at? Is it at the apartment?
Oh!
Oh, dinging the new paint job.
Yeah.
Garage frame mounted wing.
There we go. Excellent.
This looks like a horror movie on this camera.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, like one of the like the witch horror movies where they're recording mysteriously.
Pretty much.
Wait. Dang, where'd the garage opener go?
I have no idea. I hope we're not trapped in it. Oh, wait, we can still open it manually.
Huh?
I guess we can still open it manually.
Yeah. That's just more so. It's a whole lot easier to drill it in. Where'd the impact go?
Oh crap! I left it over there.
Hey, I got it. Thinking, where did they put the spacers at? Can't be on that side. That would be too close. So, I don't know.
Okay, so we got the lower bar installed in the pitch black. Mind you, this camera makes it look like it's much brighter in here than it actually
Oh, you
is.
can see really good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's about how dark it actually is.
darkness.
So dark in here.
I don't know what I did. I was looking for the mounts. I know they're out here.
Okay, well, at least we're doing exciting stuff now. The first upright part is on. This looks actually really good.
Heck yeah.
I can't wait.
14, baby.
Got it.
I like them 14-year-olds.
Sweetness.
Just kidding.
I'm putting that in the video. Yeah, after we got, you know, stuff taken
I
apart.
told you this was supposed to be a quick install.
Even though you lost the nuts for that side.
I don't know about that one.
Either they didn't have them in there in the first place or you lost them.
I don't remember grabbing them.
I know I didn't.
I can always just, Lowe's is right here, so not that big of a deal for me to just walk down there and grab some.
Yeah, I guess.
And walk out.
That's also going in the video, you thief.
Oh my God, I need a step stool.
Why'd you put it up there?
Why?
Yes.
I didn't have anywhere else to put it. Show them my garage space.
Yeah, it's tight in here.
I didn't have anywhere else to put it. And I definitely wasn't about to put it on the ground. Alright, next. We always doing the most. Just buy a car and drive it, they say. Save money, they say. Nah. Niggas gotta go do the most.
That thing looks huge up there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it actually came down better than it went up. That's what she said. All right. And I think it'll sit on These will sit on the outside. Or inside? Inside? Yeah, or outside.
Man, it ain't with no instructions. I bet it doesn't even matter.
You don't think so?
It fits. Oh, we got that hardware. Another big bolt in here.
Yeah, I know.
We must go through those other.
Yeah, it's stabilizers.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
All right, so you want to do it inside or outside?
Let's try outside first.
Outside. Oh, mount, putting it on the outside.
Over this way. Alright, how's that look? How's that look?
I mean, it looks good to me either way.
Sure, you want to tighten everything down?
Yeah.
This looks so much better in person than it does when you see it on like Instagram and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. Almost last step, I think. No more L's tonight.
The only thing that's making it loose is that.
Yep, almost there. I'm gonna tighten these up now. Tighten these down some more.
So basically, whenever we go to cut, the only thing we have to remove is just this piece right here.
Yep.
Because we can keep everything else together. That way we ain't got to take everything else apart. And the stabilizers, but that's alright. Man, you still playing Destiny?
I stopped playing Destiny when Monster Hunter came out.
When who? Monster Hunter?
Yeah, so we pretty much got everything in place for the most part, but we're just, for some reason, we're missing like the nuts to screw onto the bolts to like really secure everything down. I don't know if we lost them or if they just weren't in the bag to begin with, but it's like pretty much done. And we gotta cut the bumper still, and then that'll be pretty much it.
See how, like, if you hold it in place,
oh yeah, that's sturdy.
like it becomes sturdy or whatever.
Yeah.
I just can't hold it as tight as the bolts and stuff will hold it together.
It looks super good though.
What does it look like on the front?
Let's turn the light on.
Huh?
Okay. Sick. This thing is huge. Alright, bringing it back home. I'm just gonna throw my tools back in the box and lock it up and head to sleep. But at least we got the wing for the most part mounted up. It was missing some nuts and stuff like that, so maybe there'll be a part 3 to this wing install because the bumper still has to be cut. So if there's a part 3, guess I'll see you guys when we have a part 3 and cut the bumper. If not, then you just won't see a part 3, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm tired. I've been going all day, so I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Don't be afraid of my mask. Came from the dark on my dad's skin. Giving my first to my last kin. Rubbing the lotion, ain't asking. Point that shit right at the cop. Told you she love when it drops. Told you she love when it